Welcome to South Africa, where diverse industries face challenges shaped by the country's unique geography and strategic location. EDDY Pump offers innovative solutions tailored to South Africa's significant sectors, navigating geographical complexities with cutting-edge technology. Opt for EDDY Pump rentals for practical and cost-effective solutions, especially in mining, manufacturing, and energy. Explore our products designed to meet South Africa's industrial needs. Efficient pumps and dredging equipment are crucial for material transfer, infrastructure maintenance, and environmental conservation in South Africa's dynamic landscape. They optimize production processes, support infrastructure development, and contribute to sustainable practices. Our solutions ensure optimal material transfer, flood prevention, and environmental stewardship. With strategic locations across South Africa, EDDY Pump is ready to meet industrial needs. Contact us today. We pump solids, not water.